Hey guys, look at this. I just received a box from Samsung. I'm excited what's inside. Let's check it out. I pre-ordered the Samsung S21 in Phantom Grey with 256 GB of storage. So let's check what else is in the box. So we have here the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which I may review later, and the Smart Tag, which was also included in the pre-order package. And finally, the S21 in Phantom Grey, and I can't wait to open the box up. So let's do it together. So the main reason for this video is that I couldn't find any images or nice videos on the internet regarding the Phantom Grey version of the S21. So I decided to do this video on my own to show you guys, if you are interested in the grey color, how beautiful it actually is. So if you open up the box, the first thing you will notice is the flat screen of the S21. It's not an edge-to-edge display anymore, which I was never a fan of, so I really appreciate the new design. And the back is beautiful. The camera integrated into the aluminium frame, it's just beautiful. It's so organic. It's beautiful. Unfortunately, there is nothing else in the box except of some papers regarding the S21 and a charging cable Type-C to Type-C, nor charger included in the box. So let's power the device on, and while the device is powering on, we will remove the front cover of the flat display of the Samsung S21. I really have to tell that the backside of the S21 is beautiful. Even it is plastic, because of its matte finish, it doesn't really feel any cheap at all. On all the images and videos I could find on the internet, the Phantom Grey color looked dark, almost black. But it's not the case, as you can see. It's the frame around, it's kind of silverish, polished silver, which is a kind of darker than it was on the S20, but it's actually very beautiful, looks very modern. As you can see, the frame got a little bit bigger than it was prior on the S20. And as I said before, you will see the color of the aluminium frame is a little bit darker, but still silverish. Comparing the both devices, the S20 and the S21, you will see as well the beautiful camera design on the back on the S21. The SIM tray on the S21 is now on the bottom, except of that, not a lot of changes on the bottom of the device. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner got bigger in the S21, but I didn't have any issues with the old scanner of the S20. I think it works fine, and the new does as well. Overall, these are just small changes on the S21 compared to the S20, which was, as I think, already a pretty good device. The big step, I think, is the processor change in the S21. The Exynos 2100 is not getting as hot as the old 9900 from the S20 was. So as I was doing the switch from my old to my new device, the S21 didn't get as hot as the S20 during the 1 hour of transmission of data from the old device to the new device. As I said in the beginning of the video, the purpose of it was to bring you closer to the Phantom Grey color. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Thank you.